Well, hello, friends. I'm sorry. Hello and welcome, dear viewer. That's my normal introduction. More piano today. I thought I'd do a little video about benchmarking the compiler. Maybe, I don't know. I like benchmarks, and in the last video, we overhauled the parser with the token stream and maybe got some performance improvements, but of course there's no way to measure that. So I guess what we're going to do today is write a benchmark. So let's do that. Hopefully that won't take too long and we'll have a nice little 6th episode. So we need a mod test, of course, and that config test, and where's that? Bench, I think. If I can type. When we want to benchmark parser, maybe we should put that in parser actually. Functions used as benches must have. Oh, right. Just do that. I went to. Oh, where's that from? Oh, okay. Use of unstable library feature test bench is a part of custom test frameworks. So I guess we want to have feature test, I guess. And why is this complaining about? Okay, I don't remember how that works. Let me just Rust benchmarks. Let's see. Oh, it's unstable. Okay, so we need, yeah. Okay, we need feature test globally. Right, okay. Yeah, I don't care about using nightly. Can't alt tab here. Let's put that thing in the parser, by the way. So yeah. So we want feature test. That needs to be global, actually. And that is only available on the nightly channel. Very simple. New file, Rust, first Rust, toolchain, toml. I think that's toolchain. Channel nightly. Yeah, okay. And I actually need to throw that in here. Okay, now I need to restart the Rust server. I think it's working because it's recompiling everything, so I think it... Yeah, okay, so the warning is gone, so it actually compiled with a nightly toolchain. So we need, let's check this again. Let's use that. I probably need external create test as well, something like that. Yeah, we'll use that in a second. Okay, bencher dot iter probably. Callback for benchmark functions to run in their body. Let's check the documentation again. Yeah, okay. Let's use iter, I think. Now we want to benchmark the parser. So we first want to lex something. So let's let file contents equals splitfs read to string, and we read powder dev simple. Type error. Cool. Let's just token stream is tokens calls lexer lex contents use create lexer expected. Yeah, let's have that, and then we can actually parse the tokens, and we can return that result. Okay. Move that, please. Please just move it, for fuck's sake. Let mutable tokens, whatever, I don't care. Move the damn thing. Get it move out of tokens. It's a vector which does not implement the copy trait. What the fuck? Like, move the damn thing. You don't need to copy it. Let's see. Are like the tokens copy? Let me check. They are. Cannot move out of tokens. It kept. Oh, right. Now I know, because this functions run multiple times. So I want to tokens.clone. I think, yeah, I need to copy those every time. And now I need test termination. Where's that? Bench termination or something. I don't know. Where's that? Yeah, okay, no. What does this return anyways? It returns nothing. Okay, so I can just do this then. Okay, let's try. (989 nanoseconds per iteration). Cool. That's fast, I guess. Like, for building entire AST for this thing. Under a microsecond of parse time. So let's actually... where's that? Oops. I need to cargo bench release. I don't know. How was that again? Where's their dash release? Cargo help bench. Can I not run the benchmark on release, on the release build? Offline, manifest path. Color, quiet, verbose. Target. Features. Targets. Okay, let's actually hope that this is just release building anyways. Is it? Oh, okay, yeah, it's compiling it optimized. Plus minus 95. Okay, so now we have, yeah, we have pretty much exactly a microsecond. Now let's see if I copy this over 3 times, will the time be multiplied by 3 or something? It isn't. It's only multiplied by 2 and something. Let's paste it a bunch more. Maybe I should just see and look, see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. So, okay, so what I'm guessing is happening is that we have a constant overhead that is like diminishing with the amount of code that I'm adding here. That is super sick. Which means that even though we already have like a millisecond of parse time, which to be fair is very fast, we won't be expecting like a linear increase from that immediately, because it's because there's a bunch of overhead that is the same for all of them. Yeah, maybe I can actually do that by commenting out everything. I can't comment out right now, but you get what I mean. This is such a hassle. Should be rather fast. Yeah, okay. So basically that's like the overhead we get for just having to run the entire thing. It's like 100 nanoseconds or something. Which, to be clear, is incredibly quickly. Okay, what if I run test, by the way? It shouldn't benchmark, or is it benchmarking? I don't know. Maybe because it's testing in the... Yeah, it's not running this. Or it's just... I think, yeah, it's running it, but not repeatedly. And we're, of course, getting an unoptimized build, so... Yeah, cool. I think that's all for this video, because I just wanted to write a little benchmark. Though I will have to add the feature test. So, bootstrap. I can never spell out bootstrap correctly. Mark the parser. Continue to check this in the future. Because of the benchmarks we now on. No, but who cares? The cutting edge. The absolute cutting edge. Like, I find that for a lot of things, like these features like benchmarks and other stuff, is just incredibly useful. And I just find myself switching to nightly for a lot of things. And I've never actually had like any instability with nightly. Like it's called the nightly channel, but it's still pretty stable for that. So I guess there's nothing to worry about, at least not for now. Okay, so that's all for today for this very short episode of just, I can't tell how many episodes because my recording screen has gone blank. But either way, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.